Welcome to Lesson 13. Today we'll bring the whole AIP stack together. AIP Logic for intelligent classification, Automate for event-driven triggers, and an AI agent embedded right inside a workshop dashboard. By the end of this lesson, you'll see how raw data flows through AI and comes out as real operational action. Let's talk about the problem. Right now, the workflow is completely manual. A tenant submits a work order. Maybe their hot water is out. Someone on the support team reads it, decides if it's urgent, then someone else has to find an available technician. This takes hours. We want AI to classify the priority instantly, find the best technician automatically, and send notifications. All triggered the moment that work order comes in. Zero human bottleneck. To make this work, we need three things. First, AIP Logic. This is our intelligent classification engine. It reads a work order and decides the priority. Second, Automate. This is the rules engine that fires when something happens. A new work order comes in, run the classifier. Third, we embed the AIP agent directly into Workshop, so your ops team can talk to AI without ever leaving their dashboard. Together, these three form a complete autonomous workflow. So what is AIP Logic actually doing? Your tenant writes something like, "No hot water in Unit 204, that's just unstructured text." AIP Logic feeds it to a large language model, and out comes a structured answer. Emergency, urgent, standard, or low. The LLM reads your custom prompt plus the tenant's description and makes a judgment call. And here's the key. This all stays inside Foundry. Your data never leaves the system.